Who likes to tip on the legs?
Oh,
What's that all about? Okay, I'm sorry. I was kidding. He's like, I don't want these cookies. They're crap. They're all soggy. Somebody's already licked all over them. I'm gonna eat this piece. This piece looks good. The rest of it's crap. This piece good. Oh yeah, that piece good. Well, that's where the money. Oh no, it's crap too. Oh, maybe this big piece will taste good. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that and the little piece. I'm gonna try and, oh, I got all of them. A fatty eat cookies. Instead of eating them, I'm gonna throw them in on my legs. Oh, that one's good. Yum. Oh, didn't get it. Stick to my hand. How about somebody else puts a piece of cookie in my mouth? I'm on the last and the camera shakes. That's why this video is shaky. Oh, no. No. I gnaw your ass to death. I'll get you, Cookie. No. Oh, I spit that piece out.